Hello everyone, welcome to our second video. So we get a lot of questions regarding how to choose a rucksack, which basically comes down to two questions: which design to look for and what size to look for. This video we mainly focus on the second aspect, which is the size to look for. We'll definitely come out with a new video later to choose the design, but this is for the first one. One trend that we've seen is that people want to buy a bigger rucksack because they're always afraid that they will run out of space and they want to pack as much as they can. Whereas we at Tripole try and make things minimal and try and keep things minimal. So that is how we will suggest you on how to pack. We thought we would dedicate this video in sharing small and neat tips on how to pack efficiently and smartly, especially if you're going for a hike or backpacking for a long period of time. Just as an example, let's say we need to pack for 5 to 7 days to somewhere which is like a cold weather place, think 0 degrees Celsius nights. And so this is how we would go about packing our stuff.
So we'll be using the Terra 50 liter to pack our luggage. This is a standard front opening rucksack with a 50 liter capacity. The next thing we need is to get hold of some organizer bags, preferably in different colors and sizes such as these, and fill them individually.
Starting with your clothing, we recommend using synthetic t-shirts and pants because of a host of reasons. They crumble less, they're easy to wash, easy to dry, they're sweat absorbing, and most importantly, it's lightweight and takes minimal space, as you can see right here. But don't worry and pack in a couple of cotton t-shirts too. Now all of this rolls up and goes into this neat cylinder over here. This small organizer here comes with all your undergarments for 5 days along with socks and other such items. The next is your winter wear. Avoid sweaters and thick hoodies. Instead go for synthetic or down jackets that take less space and provide more warmth. This is the Tripole 5-degree polyfill jacket, which is conveniently stored in this small bag. We also have options in -5 degree as well. Carry a fleece jacket for morning hikes. Make sure to carry separate nightwear, both upper and lower. Store it separately after the end of the day. Clean yourself and use it only for your nights, and you'll see the difference in the quality of your sleep. Make sure to carry proper woolen socks, gloves, face and head cover gear. All of this will neatly fit inside one of these large organizers. It's always handy to carry some rainwear no matter how low the probability of rain is. Keep a separate pouch for tech accessories such as earphones, phone and laptop chargers, power banks, speakers and other such accessories. All of these can go inside this pouch over here. Use another pouch to carry other miscellaneous items such as toiletries, snack bars, medicines, a small towel and other such things that properly fit inside one of these pouches. A small case I like using for carrying my brush always comes handy to me. Always carry a couple of extra bags to store your shoes, soiled clothing, or just plastic waste that you could not dump earlier. Carry a foldable bag which can be used for day trips. This one right here opens up into a full-fledged bag and is ideal to use for day trips or day hikes. We strongly recommend using a waist pack, which is a high utility product. I personally do not like carrying my phone and wallet inside my pants while traveling for various reasons. Even a small waist pack such as this can hold your phone, wallet, earphones, cables and small paraphernalia that you might want to keep handy on yourself at all times. Going forward, packing goes by one simple rule. Keep the heaviest item towards the middle and the lighter items around it. Start by putting your laptop inside the sleeve and strap it up. Then proceed by evenly putting all the organizers from the bottom. The good thing is that these will fit perfectly because they've been designed that way. Put everything you've got and zip it up. Use the side pocket for all handy items such as gloves and other winter gear. Basically those items which you might want to need at any point. Similarly, the other side can be used for such items by using the bottle holder as well. Internal pockets can be used to store valuables such as passport or other important documents. The pocket on the brain of the rucksack contains the rain cover, which you may store elsewhere and use this for things like snacks, speakers, shades and head torch. Base pocket can be used for small things such as a hand sanitizer or maybe your mobile phone. So this is something you need for winter travel. You need to pack even lesser if you are going somewhere tropical. So this rucksack still has space in it, and you can use a special organizer bag if you want to carry shirts or blazers or dresses for women and load this bag with additional stuff. So this is it from my end, guys. If you have any queries, any questions regarding any detail, something that we might have missed, please mention it in our comments and we'll be happy to revert back. Thank you so much.